Yeah, g'day guys. Welcome to my review of Les Banks. I'm going to go through this. It's an info course. I'm going to go into it very quickly. It's a very good info course on how to start getting recurring commissions, on how to build upon those recurring commissions on a daily basis using free traffic methods. Now they've got ultimate free traffic strategies here that you can utilize. So if you don't have much of a budget for traffic, they've got you covered, which is a really good one. Now I do have a pretty good bonus package that I'm going to give away for you guys right now, and I'm just going to go through it very quickly. I call it my no bullshit bonus package, which is pretty much what it is. So what it is like I'm going to give you access to a whole bunch of products that's really going to leverage your results using Les Banks and the info product that they come out with via John Armstrong, Branson Tate, and Zishan Arman. So what we're going to go through is I'm going to give you Method X and all the upgrades, Infusion and all the upgrades. So you've got like here from Method X, you've got the Fast Track, Done For You Package, Profit Box, Unlimited Traffic, and you've got license rights to 100% of the profits on Method X. Same again for Infusion. You got the Infusion membership, you got Infused Money Pages, Done For You Package, Cash Automators on how to use cash bots to get high ticket products. Or sell high ticket products. You've got unlimited traffic. You've got Phoenix. So you've got a whole wealth of information. You've got Done For You pages. You've got Done For You campaigns. You've got a whole ton of swipes. I think in combination there's nearly over 500 or 600 email swipes in collective when are using across these products. And then you've got access to the breakout code. Now this is what literally I do every day. This is based on my business, on how I generated over $70,000 in the last 30 days. So if you want to have a look at my results here, 70 grand, like the numbers don't lie. So this is what I do on a daily. So you're going to be able to get access to the raw strategies that I have inside the breakout code, and you'll get that today when you pick up your copy of Les Banks. Now, with that, I'm going to go show you in terms of the power of recurring commissions because I feel like it's important. Now, I'm on my ClickBank account. Now, ClickBank isn't my strongest forte. I've literally only started this back in November. So, full transparency. So, as you can see here, like, as an affiliate, like, you know, it's not the strongest numbers, but literally in November, I've done over nearly 10 grand in sales on affiliate marketing here, using strategies similar to what's inside Let's Bank. Now, these strategies do work. Now, it's just a matter of you going through it, applying yourself, and just sticking at it. Now, with the combination of Let's Bank and my bonuses, especially what you're going to get in the breakout code, which is basically my business fully exposed, you're going to be able to you should be able to replicate this, scale up, and start really crushing some serious numbers. So that really is up to you. But I think Les Banks is an excellent course. It really does bring out the raw reality of what happens in the industry, on how you generate commissions. I feel like it's an honest and just detailed course. So I fully recommend it. They go through a whole bunch of stuff here. The proven business model. 3 types of affiliate products, which is true. You got the recurring, you got high ticket, and you got lower tier to mid tier products. You've got a whole bunch of pay recurring commissions. So they teach you how to find those offers. I'm actually going to what I actually do, guys, I'm going to actually throw on the front end a copy of Rebuilds because I feel like Rebuilds is going to complement this a lot. But this is a product that's just out loud. We're still in launch. So I'm going to throw in the front end copy for you guys at no additional cost, so you guys can access that if you haven't picked up Rebuilds yet. So if you have, just let me know, and I'll replace it with something else, guys. So I just want to let you know that Rebuilds is a much similar product, but I'll throw in that front end copy for free. Now you're going to get ultimate free traffic strategies, overcome the fear mindset mentality. And then obviously the 8-step blueprint on how to actually go about it. So you can do like creating videos on YouTube. You can jump on Instagram. There's other ways of doing it for like TikTok. So they'll be able to cover that in there. 10 extra commissions to the next level. how to integrate, just raw functionalities, functions that you need to do inside your business if you're going to go down this line of making money online. So it is a raw info course. It's a no bullshit one. They cover the basics. They also go into a lot of in-depth stuff. It's well worth the price of $17, and on top of that, you're going to get literally about $4,000 worth of stuff here, guys, with Method X, Infusion, Phoenix, and Breakout Code. All 4 products plus all the upgrades, the entire suite of each product you guys are going to get. Now, there's obviously still some vendor bonuses. You got Bang Bang Profits. You've got Raken. You've got 0 to 124 hours. You've got those on top of that as well. So it really does come down to what you guys, and I'm going to add in, I will add in rebills, the front end on this as well. So you guys have got a copy of that, because I feel like it's going to really help complement on how to go about getting recurring commissions and up and started. So just going to touch base on a little bit more of rebuilds. So for example, there's some great rebuilds here. I'm starting to punch some through. So rebuild. So as you can see, I'm only just starting on ClickBank, and I'm only just starting to get some rebuilds through. And as you can see, I've got, refunds are normal, but you got rebuild. So you can understand the concept that following a course like this. Now there are upgrades, obviously, so it's really up to you if you feel like it. They've got the front end here, which is what you've got here, and then on top of that, you've got the done for you. You've also got the Les Banks done for you. You've got the 4x case studies times the 10x traffic. So you're going to get how to get the traffic training on how to be able to start getting free traffic to your offers. So they're going to really hone in on what to do there. You've got a software automation bundle plus outsourcing suite. So you get a whole bunch of auditing apps like free traffic app, paid traffic app, autoresponder, money page builder with hosting, squeeze page creator with hosting. So you guys are going to get all that for $197, which is actually a bargain, because if you think of just ClickFunnels alone, to get what you're getting here for the page builders and the capacity is a $297 a month, and you get it for a one-time $197. So it really depends on if you're just looking to cut costs. This is a good value-based way of doing it. And then also there's the reseller bundle license, where you guys will be able to resell Les Banks, Continuum, Vanquish, and Java Commission Bot. You'll be able to resell all those products at 100% commission, so you'll be able to do that. Now, there are downsells as well, guys, so you don't have to pay full price if it's not in your budget. Obviously, seeing that I'm showing you a downsell, who wouldn't get it? But you got the 47 downsell, 37 upgrade, 97, 67, 97, 97. So you can really obviously save. You could save nearly $140 here, just $240, we should say, on the downsell. So, guys, it's definitely well worth it. It's an info product. Knowledge is everything in this game. The more you build yourself upon knowledge and different techniques and be able to do that, the more it's going to benefit you in the long run. And that's why I've complimented you with a whole bunch of other info products that I've released over the last 5 months, and you'll be able to get access to this too. So guys, definitely worthwhile. Jump on. Thank you very much for watching this review. Your bonuses will be, if you decide to make a purchase, your bonuses will be available with your purchase inside Warrior Plus if you purchase this via my affiliate link. You will not get these bonuses if you purchase through another affiliate. I do not respond to emails saying I bought Les Banks, can I have your bonus? If it's not in your Warrior Plus, you didn't buy it through me, you must purchase via my affiliate link. The best way to go about that to avoid any trouble is to jump into incognito mode, copy the link address from this button, paste it, and you'll be able to be affiliated. You'll be cookied to me, and when you make your purchases, you will be able to get the bonuses that way. So guys, please make sure you follow those instructions. and you'll be able to access the bonuses that way. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this review. Jump on, grab these bonuses. It's nearly $5,000 worth of stuff here, guys. So it's very well worth it. You're going to get $5,000 worth of stuff for $17. So thanks very much. Take care, and I'll see you inside. Cheers.